Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Nsembi ACC ewo Ghana. Na yebe readi comments every Ghana for ho. Atremo na anse na ebe to aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on the so. Oya the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Etiefo quickly no send me dinka kan yen waste time yen konsem ne so. Now, let me give you a brief and then we come into this particular Adia Kwame A+ Atro and the letter involved. Group bi wo hwa from Asepa. I think say womo ye group Ghana ha say womo hwe na say policy bi enkoye entia Ghana fo a. Womo be sori no mo akasa. Na group yi say ejapa deal. Say enano me be explanation wa ha. Nsem bebre ye kan ye fa ejapa deal CSO sinkofo bebre kan se deal no eyade a enye no na eye yen se aban kan se deal no obe cancel no badabi aban amayate ase wono de Ghana fo be bia obe continue with the deal nti ejapa deal no obe koso akwaye na group bia ye from Asepa ana Asepa se ne obe kan bia no Asepa no Ghana ha sei obi a obeba so bia a wo ye president bia no wo hwe na memuo mu o de bibiba na enya wo mo sori eka ho ansem nti Asepa yi ayo mo age se wo mo be ko demonstration o mo be ye demonstration kese etia aban ewo ejapa deal ne ho because eyade a endim wa Ghana for aden na still aban pese wo ye now group yi ye o mo agen ana mo kan se wo mo be ko demonstration no. Normally, yen say Ghana has say group be episode called demonstration. Rihanna, a was a watro and crata. Emma opposite for a trauma say, oh, call demonstration. On my clearance now I then wako. It is not very common, say group ever trauma police. Say ye call demonstration. Now police for akaso ye mamonko. That thing no unshedden who Ghana has say, even though sometimes it happens one, but it is very, very uncommon. Now, Asepa yi etro enkrata ma police for say one person we demonstration based on ejapa deal no police worker say ye mo nko police was mo ma Asepa for no enko ye demonstration no now mind you okay it will come to that it police worker say mo nko na Asepa for say hey mo ma enko say boni ben ya mo be so me ma go to Asepa for ne ba bonte be ka say the police acted in bad faith. As a police one should not share Abanyechi because Aban himself they were going against a Japa deal no. It is a police was a more demonstration that one kasa dem run be show munsim no more demonstration no. It is a part for my as I say whether the police likes it or not demonstration or China holiday. I think Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Day no wo mu be call demonstration na Ghana phone who say yes Kwame Nkrumah da so and yakọ demonstration no. The other is a police IGP. Wako court. Akwa kwaji nkrata efi court say group no still wo mo se ombe konti yan konkwaji nkrata into demonstration so. And a group no say, hey! Hey! Sana moti. Na dia group for no members say can say yet o man we mu. And ananse yan che bia just around last week. Achimfo eye demonstration kese se mahama akwa kan sembi nti no wo mo akọ demonstration no police for epene ye se wo mo nko na wo mo Asepa for ihu ne se ade a eboa Ghana mom wo mo ye demonstration wo ho a mo police for mo akọ court se mo ma ye nko nti no na ya ye nim yankata ye bra Kwame A+ wa ba bontin aba be kasa wa asem ne ho na the A+ nso ka no tie mo amunim se A+ nso kasa Ghana for bebre na ediomo anotum and the microphone media atem omo make bia ma A+ so be bia ma A+. It has some A+ cannot say the IGP has run to the High Court with an ex parte to secure an injunction against the Ejapa demo in this same country where a group of people were allowed to demonstrate because of a social media comment. This is the country that is so religious that we have demolished buildings worth millions to build a church for God. 2 legs bad, 4 legs good. Shaking my effing head. It's a someone I mean A+ and so Katitia say, hey, yet your mind we mu. Commenter will be making here ever social media. Isaac Adongo, Mahama, Wambodi, but yen ye de count. Because that's the only commenter Ghana has say just within last week. Will be yeah. Emma demonstration by. Inti nona kwami A+ nso kan. Na trese da bi Ghana no akwa ye say koko football bo. And the aban hihye nyama echi ye nyama. So kwami A+ posted the enkrata police for ekọ court ekọje say eye group no ombe mo akọ demonstration e pan dia na nkomo akwa. Gala pana I dey say. Inti no enkofu bebre atro mo adwen e wa asemwe ho. Ebi mu bu afu. Ebi mu nso kasa. Now let's go into the comment and see what people are saying. We'll be seeing the book Animals Farm is a reference to Ghana's current situation. And only asema will be can say Ghana de sisi a akwa yes sebe in prejasa efuo a emwa egum. Animal Farm. Say book be why friend Animal Farm. Or say Nana Ojam has turned Ghana into his own Ghana. Hey, one friend Nana Ojam no. Monso de mo pedi ma Isi ya amount will be din Nana Ojam. Or say Nana Ojam has turned Ghana into his own Ghana, and Achim Ghana and MPP Ghana. As for all others, they are foreigners and not qualified to enjoy their rights. Oh God, save us from the hands of the tyrants. And only Asema will be Eka. Or say Ghana's democracy is under siege. Nana Akufo-Addo, who's noted to have championed public demonstrations, all of a sudden becomes allergic to same. This needless impediment put on demonstrations have shown that Nana's credential as a Democrat is doubtful. Nana should not expect to run a country in which the silence of the cemetery is observed. Can say identity, and so that's it all. You see, Obitinechia, the police no, they have valid reasons. But Obitinechi na on also can to me stopping the no. But if I made a mechanic, yes, robe, yeah, mechanic platform. So, but I said it. Ebiana police no, the reasoning they are giving no. Ebiana they have a good reason why they are not allowing these people to go. But Obitinechi, Obi say na say na achemfo ye hwe ye mo koye. Or is it because achemfo no they were going against Mahama nti the police had no choice than to allow them? We all know how politics has entered into the security force in this country. We all know. It will be better now baby I can say well, politics, but the police is not supposed to do that. It will be better now baby I can say but it is indeed looking like that. It is indeed looking like that. Now, we'll be also say in Ghana today the law is working so much that it is no longer working. Sakawa and 419. And only Asema will be can. We'll say God will punish anybody that doesn't seek the welfare of Ghana, but for his own interest and his people in his circle. Still, God will speak come 2020 election. A record will be set, a disgraceful one for that matter. And also ne Asemwa will be can. Obi also say, so the Ghana Police Service now do the bidding of politicians. How safe are we as a... And you see, please, I don't want people to say, so the Ghana Police Service now did the of the police. Master, it has been there for long. It has been, even during NDC's time, it has been there for long. Munja de Mokano. Yeah, say. But it has been there for long. The police... na some me enye me po na meka police impanyufo bebre na wo moka long video bia and the police ni a ye de ne court for coup d'etat Benjamin Aguzo mambo ni dini am fa nche me. There is a video bia wo wo kan he explained the structures of the police a wo tre say police for no send ya wo structures neti aban bi obeba so bia no the police works under them. It is as simple as that. My mentor were there. Even if you go to white Ghana police and Ghana police, Ghana police, you would know say the police wasn't built. Ghana police wasn't built for the normal citizen. And this is history. We go back to Embra Ghana police at time no I'm bro for ebedi yeso a womote Ghana police no why they did the Ghana police? Omo say Ghana police for Ghana. The omo here say omo bro for no na na ewo ho. And it was invented and it was built. The Ghana police structure was built to the extent say some bro for na no omo waso no na ebe favor omo na yen omo ana omo di yen so no na Ghana police in favor yen because at time no they were in power. The structure has been that way for a very long time. It is not now. It's been person be back say, oh, now the police are doing the bidding of politicians. It has been since time I see Ghana police in Brofofone Baha or Mobile Ghana police. No, that was the basis of the construction of Ghana police. And it has been there for long. Just that you are telling me Ghana police, on my board, the chairman is the vice president. You are telling me, say Ghana police is not a political entity? No. Yes, the Ghana police is independent, but obia wonim bi anim. And then my politician be our power. One to Ghana police say yembra be foul. Wonye hwe. Ghana police will not even try to do invest. Ye be foul. Who cost through form? Ye be foul. Ye be foul ako. Ye be foul ako. Nana politician na kasa. Politician our power. One can fast oh massa dada. So let's not make the whole thing appear say they are under Akufo-Addo na Ghana police. No, they are working under police. It's a Ghana police they've been working at. For adding a president be a far or president be a bar or not kasa choosing their own IGP. Ube notice a president be a bar now ube say police structure no assistant. Ebi na police way. Ewo ahase no ya depense si and ya de na kwa akoto back door bi baby share any mafia tactics. So if you don't know, let me tell you. So I don't want people to be saying that, but in some way down no mo try mo adwen ewo comment box ni mo me da say